Hello everyone, today I will show you how to adjust or fix a text box's left and right side alignment on your PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file. Now click on this edit option already selected and select this text option, edit text. Now click on this text box and select and press Ctrl key and hold it and select another one and see this. Now press right button for your mouse cursor and here you will find this alignment option and this left alignment and see this. This left alignment now fixes. Also this right sidebar here you will find this properties option and this top here you will find aligned option and this right alignment and see this. Also align these two text boxes and press Ctrl key and hold it again and click another one and here you will find this align left and this is align right. In this way we can align a text boxes left and right side. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.